Hi, everyone. You can now bulk assign schedule tasks in Ressio. I'm on a Ressio project schedule and I'm going to select a few tasks. Real quick, as a reminder, if you select a task and then hold shift and select another, it will include all of the tasks in between. And if you'd like to select a few kind of sporadically, you can hit control. And if you hold control while you're clicking them, it will also include those in your kind of collection of tasks that you are selecting. But from here, we now have this assign button up top. If I hit that, I can select a person or several people. And remember, this can be team members, customers, subcontractors, whoever it may be. And it will replace the existing assignees on those tasks. But I'll go ahead and assign those. And you can see in the background and then right here, all of those folks are now assigned to each of those tasks. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.